Welcome. In front of me is Gateway UltraSlim 71517 laptop, and in this video I will show you how to update Windows on this device. So to do that, open the Start menu, then go to Settings, then select the last Windows Update tab, open it, and here click Check for Updates to check if your device has any updates. And if it does have any updates, then you can select which one you want to install by checking the checkboxes next to each option and selecting Install the update. And once the updates are installed, some of them will require your device to restart. If they do, then you'll be notified on this page that your device should be restarted after the update. As you can see from me, the device is up to date, but you can also check for additional updates. If you go to Advanced Options, Optional Updates, and as you can see right here, I have two more driver updates that are not required, but generally to update your device to its full, you can also check them, click Download and Install, and then restart your PC afterwards once they are installed. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.